I was drawn to ei3 as it seemed to combine my interest in manufacturing with forward-thinking data science, an area I really wanted to learn more about.
I think it's really amazing that sustainability is a core tenet of the company. And I think it's cool that they help other manufacturers and production lines and even hotels reduce their impact on the environment. And that was really inspiring to me.
And so the project I worked on this year was creating a demonstration for trade shows such as Pack Expo, where you simulate a factory environment using PLCs from different manufacturers.
On the technical side, I was able to use industry-standard data manipulation tools and learned how to train machine learning models to detect things like discrepancies and patterns in data.
I worked on many projects over the summer, but I would say my favorite would be the documentation for scrap tracking. It was really interesting to be able to see the creation of this new application and be able to work with so many people and document it all.
My favorite project was building a replica data collection platform of ei3's customer base and actually performing system validation.
It's interesting mix of technology, and it's not something I'd ever seen before in any of the other factory automation internships I've done in the past.
I also really like the camaraderie that I've observed between different employees here. Like everyone, they're friends as well as coworkers, and that's been really nice.
The various lunch and learns they actually had, just sharing of information between everyone was very smooth and easy.
And I got to meet so many people and learn really valuable skills about collaborating and teamwork that I could use for the rest of my life, both in school and in the professional career that I choose to take.
I always felt like my work was valued and useful. And this allowed me to make quick progress and learn so much. So I'm really grateful to the ei3 team for having me on board.